Filming or something?
Available space. Thank you for touring with Kilimanjaro. When it comes to safaris, we go wild.
But if your whole group doesn't fit on board, that probably means you're on the next one. If you're waiting, make sure you're waiting behind that. If you're around, if it's on our right, those are pink fingerprints. Stripes going all the way around. Towards our back legs, those stripes are going to get a little thicker and a little further apart. Notice the other stripes so not to pick each other out of a crowd just by sight. Reason for their pink coloration, though, that is not where you're gonna go. It's not uncommon to see one on their own like this.
Take some.
I think that the only do you want to swim here or do you want to go to the main one?
Daddy, coming when you come.
Once you get in the water, it's going to get colder to get out, that's for sure. Face now, what are you going to do about it?
Baby, where are we going? We are going to another pool.
Ooh, which one?
Wait, try out.
I don't know. Nemo? Yeah, I think so.